You know, this isn't a blight on the
Would
community.
you think of a Lake High?
Do you have an existing
Would you consider
laundromat there
Lake
with structure?
No, it's not existing. You would have to do the infrastructure.
Christ almighty, Jesus.
Let's see if we can make it happen. Where?
It's the
Open
greatest.
can. Where?
This is, there's a
Okay.
laundromat here, a little strip mall. There's a laundry, among other things, if that's on your radar at all.
Yeah, so what are you looking to do?
I'm in that business. I do laundries, Deborah, and
a laundromat. Okay, so you want to
Laundromat.
do in Lake, you want to do a laundromat. Could you do it in that whole corner location?
yeah, well, I'm looking at a laundry. I don't know if you're aware, but there is a laundromat here that's operating. I use that term loosely. I'm not looking at empty space. This is an existing laundry. My MO is pretty simple. I scout these locations when I see underperforming stores, to put it politely. And I want to reach out, put you on
so there's a
notice.
laundromat then there now, you're basically saying, in Lake.
Precisely.
Okay, yeah. So that's an existing tenant. Okay, yeah.
Correct.
I wouldn't,
Yes.
so what are you asking me about the existing tenant? I have no idea anything about him.
Nothing.
Yeah, okay.
My interest is in signing leases
So is he
when the time comes, when that tenant vacates. Having scouted the store.
Yeah, I don't know what the story is with that.
I heard you. Yeah, you don't know. And, you know, you're the only connection that I have. I'm not asking for rent rolls or information. I own 36 laundries and I have 7 strip malls, so I understand your connection is, hey, when we have empty space, I market the empty space. You know, this isn't a blight on the community.
Would you think of a Lake High?
Do you have an existing
Would you consider
laundromat there
Lake
with structure?
No, it's not existing. You would have to do the infrastructure.
I don't build laundromats, nor do I buy laundromats. I'm interested in talking terms when existing tenants vacate, because then I get a leg up with all that infrastructure that's there, the gas,
Yeah, of
water,
course. That's great. Yeah.
and electric.
Yeah. So
Let me send you an
unfortunately, I have
email.
nothing to tell you.
I hear you.
Yeah, you can send me whatever you
will
want,
have
and
something
then
to
if
tell
it
me
does
when the time
happen-
comes when they vacate. They'll either retool. What I do is spend a lot of money on new equipment. What's your best email address?
Yeah, that's fine. At gmail.com.
Couldn't be simpler. And I will.
Okay. Oh, wait. .com. I gave you my wrong email. That's my business email.
Christ almighty, Jesus. Remind me of a lot of the women I've dated in my life. She wouldn't shut the fuck up, and she wasn't listening. So how'd that go for you, bud?
To me, I was expecting something like that, basically, because since she seems to be
she is literally teaching piano classes, right? She's teaching piano lessons, and she's more interested in the piano lessons than she is doing the realty part. Hey, thank God she picked up the telephone. So this is your first time ever making a call, and that's why it's important for me to ask what you thought. Well, she gave me her real email, and then she tried to give me her work email after
her
that.
business. Yes.
So we'll just send her
I
an
don't know
email
this.
to her regular email. But here's the thing. I don't know anything. I don't know what they're doing. I don't know about. How about you go to this other area over here? Do you have an existing laundromat there? No. So what's she trying to do? She's trying to lease me space that's empty.
For you to build.
Right? She wants me to go over there and build a laundromat. She wasn't listening to a fucking word I said. Not a word. Not a word. The truth is, the human brain can't multitask. We do one thing at a time. So she's dealing with her piano student, trying to deal with her cat on her lap, watching soap operas, and at the same time do the realty thing. The one thing that's failing here is the realty thing. So now what do you do? Well, this store has not failed, but I will send her an email, and I will CC you in that email, right?
Okay. We also, sorry to interrupt, but also for that property, we have the property management number.
Doesn't matter. She's the property manager. So we're not going to call every number and try to figure out what's what and who's who.
Yeah.
Are they paying rent? I don't know. In 6 months, we can call her back and remind her of the conversation and see if she's in a better position. I would really look forward to calling her.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.